In this video, I'm going to show you how to recompute the consensus sequence for a templated assembly using SeqMan Pro. Start by opening your assembly project. Here I have a templated assembly of Sanger sequencing reads from the influenza A virus aligned to GenBank sequences for the 8 segments of the virus. And because this is a templated assembly, I have one contig per reference sequence. To see how the reads align to a reference, double-click on one of the contig names. Here I have the alignment view for contig CY009643, and the reference sequence is shown here in italics. We can expand that to show the annotated features, and the reads that align to this reference sequence are shown below it. And the reference sequence is used as a basis for snip calling. If we go to Snip, Show Snips, we can see that there are several snips along the length of the contig. And because we have a marked reference sequence here, SeqMan Pro forces the consensus sequence at the top to match the reference sequence. You can see here at position 144, even though all of the reads call a G, the reference sequence is an A, and therefore the consensus sequence also shows an A. If you want, you can recompute the consensus so that it will reflect the majority of base calls, treating the template or reference sequence with equal weight as an individual read. To do this, just select anywhere in the reference sequence, and then go to Sequence, Unmark Reference Sequence. And you'll see the report open saying the sequence was unmarked. And if we go back to the alignment view, and then scroll back to position 144, you'll see that now the consensus calls a G, because the 7 reads call G here, and the A in the former reference sequence is marked as a SNP. You can easily change the consensus back to the reference sequence by selecting a portion in the reference sequence and going to Sequence, Mark Reference Sequence. If you have further questions about computing the consensus in SeqMan Pro, or any other questions about our software, please visit our website at DNASTAR.com or contact us at support@DNASTAR.com.